Greetings and welcome back to my channel. Today I've been restoring a customer's Apple IIe. Got it all torn apart, all cleaned up. They're built really well. I haven't yet to reseat all the chips, but I've taken out the cards, cleaned all the connectors, and cleaned the case, cleaned the keyboard. The first thing I noticed was this plug was corroded, so I took it up to the garage on the wire wheel and cleaned it all up. That was completely corroded. There's the disk drive. This was completely dirty, and it's all clean. So the most common problems with these, I guess, is the RAM. So here's the RAM right here, all 8 of them. I'm gonna reorder, just gonna order new RAM. It's cheap enough. And then the other thing that my buddy told me, who's got one of these rare, really nice Apple IIs, is there's a microfarrel cap in here. Hopefully you can see it, that little yellow guy right there. That has to be either removed or replaced. And I'm gonna replace it to keep everything, as usual. But yeah, thanks to my buddy who told me that little trick. So if I do that, reseat the chips, replace that, reseat the chips, replace the RAM, reinstall everything, I think this thing has a good shot at running. In fact, it will. Disk drive is going to be up next. I'm going to tear that apart and see if I can I usually just give them a good cleaning, check all the caps on. I'll do a little research on that and see what I can find out about, the most common repairs that are done to those. So yeah, man, these things are really nice. I like the cases, are solid compared to the Ataris. They're just a little more plastic to them. Kind of cool having these sitting there right next to that. Yeah, so fun stuff. It's been a fun project. So hopefully I'll do a follow-up video when I get all the parts in here and we'll see it up and running. Thankfully it has a composite video out, so I can plug it into my little station up there. Anyway, lots of fun. Good way to spend the day. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and yeah, we work on everything here at 8-Bit Fix. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll have a follow-up video with this thing up and running. All right. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.